up, guys? 420 blowout, Uncle John's barbecue stand. We got a little thing we're doing today. Basically making some CBD oil, mixing that in with some butter and with some honey. You get it to stick to something that needs to stick to those soluble fats. So we're putting it into those fats with the butter and the sugar and the honey mixed with the butter real well. So we blend it into there. So we're putting a CBD solution into there today. We have a CBD solution that we're going to put into there. This is a tincture CBD. There's 0 THC into this, 0 THC. So it's a one to know. So today basically we're going to go ahead and melt these butters down. I put them on the side of my grill just to warm them up a little bit. As I'm doing that, David's handling service for today. And I'm just kind of making these for the clients as needed. So basically, so I put this butter into here, get that melted down. Takes a couple minutes to melt that. I take that down and then we get it into the honey. And then I mix a little bit of whatever desired barbecue sauce they like in it. And that's what we put on the sandwich. What is it? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't see that, Dave. So again today, it's 420, y'all. We're here with Uncle John's Barbecue, famous for smoking meats. Basically, we got different barbecue sauces, dry rubbed up, all sorts of different meats. We got fresh, he's making trios right now. That's pretty much sliders for each one of our individual menu items. You get a pork, a brisket, a chicken. Maybe I'll show them to you in a second. Here you go. David, open up them sliders. So I'm coming in to check out the sliders. So you basically get a chicken, a pork, a brisket of each one. And then you got so back in action here. I gotta wash my hands now, leave them up. So again, we got the CBD barbecue sauce going on our 420 blowout today. Basically, we're gonna put a little bit of CBD oils with the butter and honey. Let that melt down, and then we'll dilute that solution into our barbecue sauce. And from there, we'll have a beautiful barbecue sauce with a CBD accent. I need one more lid. We're taking the honey and keeping it nice and warm too with our butter. Once we get our nice honey butter going, we get the CBD into there. Got this. We're ready, baby. It's not ready for you. So we got our butter mix melt in here. It's honey and butter. And that's gonna let this stick to our tincture here. It's gonna let it stick to this here, which is just our tincture of CBD oil. We'll put a couple droplets in each one. Pretty much just a nice droplet of each. That's enough for most. One vial, one droplet. So we'll put that in here, let this mix up a little more. And like they say with shampoo, rinse, repeat, whatever. Or maybe whatever the saying is. And then we put a little drop of each in there. A couple extras because we love them. Love our customers. So then we got these here. So now what we have is some butter mixed in here. Some honey. Use that as right into our sauce. David's making a grilled cheese, pulled pork grilled cheese. That's one of our #1 sellers. It's basically a grilled cheese sandwich. It usually has, we ran out of American today, so it usually has American and mixed cheeses on it. Today it's just the mixed cheese with the cheddar jack and pepper jack blend, or Monterey Jack and cheddar jack. And we put that on the Texas toast with the pulled pork and choice sauce. Sure you have that CBD sauce. What sauce did you put on? You want the mix or sweet for the CBD sauce? Little zesty or not zesty? Coming up here on having the mix sauce done, I'm going to show you our secret CBD recipe. Super easy. And we already use the mixed ingredients for the sauce that we have. And we just mix it in with butter and honey, and then this is what you come up with. Beautiful butter, honey, CBD blend. That's one. Second one coming, mix them out. Them right on there, leave the extra to the side, don't go too much. If you want to dip it in there, they can. So I got the one more here that I wanted to show you all when it's done. You can let that thing dry. So here we go. This is one I made for myself. Let me give it a second more. A little more liquid. Got it. French fries. I got them right here. Coming out 30 seconds, buddy. Lost our radio. It really sucks how that happened. Yeah, I hope they do. Not really. Well, it hasn't been crazy. Has not been crazy. Just steady. Steady's good though. I'm alright with steady. What's that? wise understanding, though, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's because we sit. Everything's leaning down on there. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Plus, it's probably a little low. Probably a little bug. So that's a CBD barbecue sauce that we got here. Alright, did I ring you out yet? I don't think I did. Yeah, anything in the cooler, help yourselves $1, okay? How many you want? We've got another cooler right there, so. Sorry, I don't know if I have any in here. We're at 40 all day, buddy. We're at 43, I'm sorry. 43. Trios are 13 plus the sauces 2 each, so that's 15. We got 10. What is it here? 10 for your grilled cheese and 3 for the fries. Thank you. Back to you, buddy. Thank you, man. Have a great day. He's got all your weight on the front seat, okay? Ready for pickup. Thank you, man. Have a good one. Alright, guys, we're down to cleaning up. And check you out. 420. Go check us out and see what we got going on. Uncle John's is a page that we have. We're on Instagram, Twitter, Uncle John's Barbecue. Come check us out. Everything we do is smoke, so come get smoked with Uncle John, guys. Have a good one. Happy 420.